Here we have a 2017 Acadia Limited, 29,000 miles, one owner and clean Carfax, in deep sapphire blue, they call this. Now, this is really a kind of a classic design. The Limited is based off of the older body design, but really we sell a pile of these things because they actually have a standard V6 engine versus the 4-cylinder on the new Acadias, and they have a lot more interior space. So let's start here the tour with your high-intensity headlamps. You got your LED fog lights in the bottom fascia. Got some brushed aluminum or chrome cladding around the grille area and around that lower fascia. So we continue around to the side. The Limited gives you these nice, bold, 20-inch chrome-plated 6-spoke wheel. We got Bridgestone dueler tires here, and they're well more than half, probably about 7, 8, 30 seconds of tread. Got a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. So we look in through the front passenger door area here. You can see the GMC chrome door sill entry guards. You can see a full power passenger seat, which is a rare option anymore with power lumbar. We got 2 bucket seats, full console that rolls in between. We got dark ebony leather trim on those seats, dark charcoal carpeting. See some brushed aluminum runs throughout the dash, some offset white stitching on the seats and dash panels as well. Got a little bit of wood grain here on the door handles. Gives it that premium look. Definitely a premium SUV in the large SUV segment. As we open up the second door here, you can see we got quad seating, captain's chairs in the middle, which is really nice. Helps keep the kids from climbing over the second bench. You can see it's a very excellent shape also. Looking here on the rear tire, just to show you it is a matching Bridgestone. We don't have any scuffs or scrapes on that 20-inch chrome wheel there. So we continue around to the back. You can see the all-wheel drive badging. Of course, it is the Acadia Limited. There are some nice features. As you can see, we have a backup camera here. We got the sensors integrated into the lower bumper fascia. And if I show you the key fob here, you can see it's equipped with remote start. There's your keyless entry, and then we got a power lift gate. So if we press and hold this, we might have a dead key fob. Let's do it this way. There we go. Have to get some batteries in our key fob here, but I just wanted to show you it is a power lift gate, as you can see. You can also raise and lower it with this button back here. I simply touched the touchpad there and it opened up on its own. Now, as you can see, there's ample cargo room here in the back, even with those third row seats in the upright position. Also, you get a little more cargo room underneath that false floor. Now, you can fold these down with a simple pull of these handles on this 60-40 split. Just give you cargo room all the way up to the second row. They do give you a 12-volt power supply there on the side. They also got some audio controls here in the back as well, so it's good for tailgating and things of that nature. So we're just going to press that button, lower that automatically, and we'll come around to the driver's side, where again you can see scuff-free 20-inch wheel and the matching Bridgestone about 7, 8, 30 seconds tires there as well. And we'll just give you a look here through the driver's side on the second row, but you can see very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. And then we'll just give you a look here at the driver's side, and you can see chrome entry guards and a full power seat on the driver's side as well. Now, let's just continue the tour here. I already showed you the keys. Let's show you the locks, the windows, and the mirrors, all located in that switch. We also have memory seating, programmable to the 2 key fobs, so that seats, radio stations, things of that nature are automatically pre-programmed when you unlock the key with your particular programmable fob. Just gonna insert the key right here, start it up, show you the display, show you the miles, 29,588 miles. Continuing with the tour, you can see you have your automatic headlamp control, push for fogs. Got your dome light and dimmer switch there to the right of that. Got intermittent wiper washers on the stem with high beams and turn signals. Got your cruise control and heated steering wheel, which is a nice feature. All those buttons located here. Got your audio controls on the steering wheel and your Bluetooth with your hands-free on the right there as well. We got the big upgraded Bose sound system. Touch screen. We have AM, FM satellite radio, and also it is equipped with factory nav. I'll hit that button once it loads up. There you can see, equipped with the factory nav, which again is another nice feature. Automated temperature control, as you can see there, dual climate settings. Right now the passenger is cold. You can see we can change those however we want. We got your heated leather seat buttons over here for your driver and your passenger. We also got ability to turn on your rear wiper, traction control, and the ability to shut off the power liftgate. 12-volt power supply right there. Also, you can see a USB connector there as well. 2 large cup holders. Got the ability to pick any of the gears in the multi-speed transmission right there. We got a slidable armrest for comfort, which is nice. We also have a little compartment here. And see, look, keep some change and trays, things of that nature. And then this center section will also open up. See, little area there as well. Of course, all GM vehicles are equipped with OnStar, auto dim on your rear view mirror. We also got your universal home link program and a garage door opener. And we do not have a roof on this model. Do have illuminated vanity, as you can see there as well. Now let's go ahead and pop the hood. I think this is a 3.6 liter engine. Pop it up right there. Also want to show you it is equipped with the blind spot monitoring. It might be hard to see, but the insignia is right there. So it does have blind spot ability. You see 3.6 liter variable valve timed engine. Now it is shrouded. It's hard to kind of see the engine, but very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the battery coils. Very well maintained. Also want to show you on the dash of all of our vehicles, we keep a copy of the auto history. There you see one owner, no accidents. So mechanical condition in the glove box, Carfaxes or auto checks on the dash should be a common theme you find throughout on any vehicle on our lot. Now, this next part of the video, we're up front in our pricing as well as mechanical condition. Now I'm going to be up front in the cosmetic condition. I'm going to just kind of do a quick walk around, point out any minor imperfections this vehicle may have. Like I say, it is a one owner with a clean Carfax. There's a little scuff right there. All the body lines are nice, straight, and clean. Doesn't show any signs of any prior paint. We got a little dent right there. See, I can catch it in the light. Little ding. We have people that drive a long way. Sometimes hours. Just this weekend we had some people drive a few hours to buy our vehicles, and I really think being up front on this condition, we got a cluster of little scratches. I don't know if I can catch those in the light. They've been buffed out. They're very, very hard to see, but I do believe that this there's some minor scratches there on the tailgate as well, liftgate. But I do believe that that's why people come so far, because we try our very best to be as upfront as possible on our vehicles all the way around, both mechanically and cosmetically. We got a scratch. Boy, that one's been buffed out. It's hard to catch, but we got a scratch that runs right down through there. Other than that one dent, I haven't really noticed any other dents. Here's another scratch. I was able to catch that one in the light, as you can see. All these have been buffed out, just in the clear, not in the base, but trying to. There's another one that's been buffed. See it? A couple more there. Just try to be as upfront as possible. I haven't noticed any other dents though. Nice and dent free. Just a few stone chips and a few of those. Little chip right there, speaking of. A little bit of stone chips, scratches, bug damage across this lower fascia. I'm not going to point out every one. Just really common. This thing has a bulb front end. Across the hood, we got a few chips there as well, just kind of pan across. And a little stone chip right there. But really, that's it, guys. Still has the remainder of GM's comprehensive and powertrain warranty, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. Excellent new car alternative. If you're interested, like I said, we've been selling these very quick. I think we've had 8, 9, or 10 of these we sold in the last probably couple months. So if you're interested, please give us a ring. Call us up at area code 717-485-4224 or look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.